Mehdi Hassan from Bangladesh. Today I will show you the tutorial how I have made the internal combustion engine from an air compressor of a fridge. Okay, I think you will enjoy it and you can learn from it how to make an internal combustion engine from an air compressor of a fridge. Okay, thank you. Hi guys, today I will show you the tutorial of the engine, internal combustion engine that I have made. Okay, this is the engine. I have taken the body, this body from the fridge. In fridge there is a machine as used as air compressor. This is the machine, small machine used in a fridge as an air compressor. Okay, I have taken it from the garbage with 100 taka only. Today you can see how I have made this from an air compressor of a fridge. Okay, actually I have to show you the original machine of a fridge used as air compressor. Here you can see this is actually the machine, small machine or air compressor of a fridge. Okay, you can see the hole here. This is the hole. This is the cylinder. It is the cylinder, and this is the piston. This is the piston. This is flywheel. Okay, and here you can see this is the crankshaft. Okay, and I will show you how I have made it. Actually, according to this diameter, I have made a cylinder head. Okay, you can see the cylinder head, and according to this diameter from here to here, according to this diameter I have made a hole here, and its depth is 4 mm. Okay, its depth is 4 mm and its diameter is according to this diameter, 26 mm probably. And I have made a hole here to use the spark plug. Okay, for ignition system. This is the spark plug. You can see. Now I will show you in my engine. Here, this is the engine, and this one I have fixed here. Okay, you can see I have used the nut here in the cylinder head. This is a spark plug, and this is the ignition switching cable. Okay, I think you have understood the first one, the cylinder head. Next, you can see here, this is the transfer port. Okay, this is the transfer port, this is exhaust port, and I will show you where I have used the exhaust port and transfer port. Here I have made a small hole. You can use this diameter of the intake port. Okay, here you have to make a hole. Here you can see, here you have to make a hole in front of the piston, or where the piston goes down last. Okay, you have to make a hole here for intake port or transfer port, you can say. And in this side you have to make another hole in this diameter, another hole to make exhaust port. Okay, I am showing you inside the cylinder. This is the piston and this is the cylinder wall. Okay, we have made exhaust port here and transfer port here. Okay, transfer port here and exhaust port here. Okay, and there will be an intake port if you make a crankcase. I have told you this is the part of crankshaft, this is the place of crankshaft. Okay, and you have to cover it, you have to cover the crankcase with epoxy resin with a tin. I am showing you how you have to make a crankcase. This is a sheet, I mean tin sheet. You have to make it in this way. I am showing you. You have to make it in this way. Okay, in this way, and you have to cover it all, and you have to use epoxy resin. Sorry. Okay, you have to use this sheet in this way, and you have to use epoxy resin in the area and in the area so that no air can pass away from this. Okay, and after completing this crankcase, you have to use this kind of pipe, or you can use copper pipe also, from transfer port to the crankcase. I mean, you have to make a hole, you have to keep two holes. The first one is for transfer port and the second one is for intake port. Okay, I am showing you in this machine. I have made the hole here. Okay, for exhaust port, and I have used this pipe, and these are the epoxy resin. I have fixed it with the epoxy resin. Okay, this is copper pipe. I have used it for exhaust port, and here you can see, here this is the transfer port. Okay, this was the this was the transfer port. Here I have shown you in the air compressor of freeze. Okay, this is the transfer port, and this has come here in the crankcase. This is the crankcase. Okay, this is the crankcase, and I have fixed it with epoxy resin. Okay, there is no leakage here. Okay, so this is the transfer port. This is the crankcase, and this pipe has gone from the crankcase to the transfer port hole. Okay, and this is carburetor. Okay, I have made it with a small pipe. I have made it, and these are the epoxy resins. Okay, and this is the RPM switch. This is the RPM switch. This is the carburetor, and this is intake port. Okay, this is intake port, and I made a hole here for intake port, and I have kept a I have kept a one-way valve here, so that the machine, when the machine or when the flywheel will go upward, when the flywheel will go upward, it will suck the petrol the from the carburetor. It will suck the petrol from the carburetor, and it will go through the carburetor into the crankcase. Okay, and this is intake port. I am clearing you. This is transfer port, this is intake port, this is carburetor, this is the RPM controller, this is exhaust port, this is cylinder head, this is spark plug, this is sparking cable. Okay, this is the pipe, this is petrol, battery, ignition coil, flywheel, this is a magnet, and this is the kill switch. Okay, this is the kill switch. It is handmade. Actually, I have used two tough tin simultaneously, and when the magnet come here, when the magnet, you can see, when the magnet comes here, the lower sheet goes down, and it disconnected from the upper sheet. Okay, then the spark plug ignites. Actually, when the flywheel and its magnet comes here, the piston in the cylinder comes upward, and it comes to the spark plug area, and here ignites the spark plug and ignites the spark plug and makes combustion and explosion. Okay, then the machine starts. Okay, actually this is the kill switch I have made. It is handmade kill switch, and you should know the ignition system. This is 12-volt battery. This is the ignition coil from the car. I mean Maruti 800 car. I have collected it from the shop of a car house. Okay, here I will show you how I have wired the ignition coil. This wire is for battery. This black one is for battery. Okay, this is plus and this is minus. This is a small capacitor. Okay, this is a small capacitor. This cable is for earthing, and this black one is, and this red and black one is for the kill switch. Okay, and if we start the engine, you can see. If I start the engine, you can see. This is the stand. Okay, this is the stand where the machine I have fixed. Here I have kept two nuts to fix the machine, so that it cannot move or cannot jerk. Okay, you should remember that the machine should be in a fixed position, so that it cannot jerk. Okay, thank you. Now I will start the engine. You can see it. Okay, thank you, guys. This is the small one. I mean, this is 8cc engine. internal combustion engine or petrol engine. This is a big one. I have made it from air compressor, okay, and it is 80 cc engine. Now I will give you a brief description of the engine. This is a flywheel. Okay, this is a flywheel. This is a flywheel. You can see flywheel. This is the kill switch. Okay, you can see this is the kill switch. I have made it from two sheets, the first one and the second one. If the magnet, this is a magnet here. If the magnet comes here, you can see comes here, this sheet goes down, and it is disconnected from the first one, and the spark plug ignites. Okay, spark plug ignites. This is exhaust port. This is exhaust port, and this is cylinder head. This is a spark plug. Okay, this is transfer port. This is transfer port. This is crankcase. This is transfer port from here to here. This is exhaust port here. This is cylinder head. This is mobile meter. This is a carburetor, handmade carburetor. This is RPM controller. I have taken it from the plumbers. I mean, this is used for water controlling. Okay, water pipe, water controlling. Okay, I have taken it as an RPM controller. This is cylinder, and this is cooling fins. I have made a hole here for the transfer port, and here a hole for exhaust port. This is the hole for transfer port, I mean, and here there is another hole. This hole is for intake port. Okay, this is the 80cc internal combustion petrol engine. Okay, thank you.